Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, I wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. So, 74 years ago, we all achieved freedom. Today, you have the freedom to be honest with the exams or be dishonest. I leave that up to you. But it would be nice if you take that effort to test yourself and know where you stand. I will take this time now to explain what the rules for the maths exam on Monday will be. Okay, so the first thing that you all need to do is take a single line sheet of paper, okay, and on the top you will write your name on it and you will draw a rough column as I had taught you in class when the sessions began. The second thing that you will be doing is you will be writing the question numbers very clearly. Now I want you to remember that there are two sections in the question paper, section A and section B. Section A consists of 5 questions, okay? 5 questions, and out of the 5 you have to attempt any 3. Remember, you can choose any 3 questions that you know. Now these 3 questions will be of 10 marks each. That gives you 30 marks. Okay? So now we come to our second section, which is section B. In section B, you can choose any one. Okay? So when you choose one, the one that you attempt consists of 5 marks. So 30 plus 5 gives you 35 marks. So your paper in all is going to be of 35 marks and you have 1.5 hours to attempt this paper. Which means your exam will start at 10 a.m. and I will end the exam at 11:30 a.m. Yes, I will remove the question paper from Google Classroom at 11:30 a.m. We will be having the exam conducted on Google Classroom, and I do not want you to use the class WhatsApp for asking me questions. If you have any query regarding the exam, you will WhatsApp me on my personal number. Remember, the official group is for everybody's convenience. Let's not bother anybody. Okay, so those are the rules for the exam. Now I want you to remember one more thing. All the questions that are there on the question paper will be with you on the screen. So what you need to do, you need not copy them. You can just write the answers and I will check them accordingly. Do not forget to write the answer numbers correctly. Those are the instructions that you will follow, and remember that every step that you show, every working needs to be done in the rough column. If there are important steps missing or any rough work missing, you will not be awarded marks for that. Again, I wish you all the very best for your exams and I know that you will do well. Have a great day.